Okay, guys, welcome one more time again. How you doing? Fine. I know you guys are doing great. So today we're going to learn how to create something like this. Yes, we're going to learn how to manipulate our text this time around. We're going to a whole new level. Are you here with me? Okay, now let's see the chase going. Now for you to achieve this, it's very simple. Don't look at the intricacy of it. It's very simple. What you're going to do, click on your text tool, then type out the text. NTA. Good. Then now it's in small letter, choose your pick tool. Now selecting the text, go to text tab, go to change case, then choose an uppercase. Good. Now making it an uppercase is very interesting and very necessary for what we are trying to achieve. Then you can make it, you can increase it, you can make it bigger by dragging these sides. Okay, now we're going to choose the font that's as thick as this. So selecting the text, we come here. I like this font, Fronty Gothic, or you can actually choose another one. They call it Area Black. So anyone that suits your choice, fine by me. So I'm going to make this one a little bit like miniature version of this, so we can be able to have a good glance at this. Now clicking on this, now I'm going to do something very important by pressing Ctrl K. Ctrl K means what? Break apart. Ctrl K means break apart, or Command K on the Apple laptop if you have one. Now clicking on this one, dragging this one on, dragging the T towards the end. Now before I do this, let me give them different colors so you can know when we overlap and how we can work on them individually. So clicking on this T, I give it blue, I give it red, I give it green, I give this one red. Okay, and clicking on this T, I drag it over the end, so you see it's not lapping. So how do you make it lap? Select the T, I go to drag it. Okay, select the T. Okay, then hold your shift and select the N. Now pressing just your T on your keyboard will make it lap at the top of the N. Okay, now at this point now we are going to do something very important. Clicking on your T now, click on your T, hold your N again. Now I want to convert these two shapes to curve, so I'll highlight the two of them. I will Ctrl Q. Ctrl Q means convert to curve. Ctrl Z, or you highlight the two shapes, or you highlight the two text, then right click, you see what? Convert to curve here. Okay, once you've done that, now you hold your T, hold your shift and select your N. This family pops out. Look for what they call trim. You click on the trim, bam. Okay, now once trim has been done, now nothing happened, right? Go over to the N. Okay, click on the N, look for your shape tool. This is your shape tool. Okay, highlight this place and press your arrow key down arrow key. You see your N is like popping out. Okay, wow. Now let's just clean this. Good. Now this is what you achieve. Now you can highlight the N and bring it down a little bit. Perfect. Okay, now once you've achieved this, now choose your rectangle and we'll drag over it to create the A. Now we're not going to use this A again. We'll put it away by the side. Then we're going to bring a rectangular tool and draw something like this. Okay, make sure it aligns, make sure bring it up a little bit. Good. Then now pick your rectangular tool again. This time around you can freely draw any rectangular shape. Just draw it over at this base here. Okay, good. Then what we're going to do, let's weld these two shapes together, this and this. So you can click on it, you can give it a different color. Click on it, a different color. Now okay, let me choose on that color. Let me choose okay, good. Now I click on this blue rectangle, hold my shift, select this orange rectangle, then look at this family here. Look for the one they call weld. I think this is it. Click on it, bam. This is, now we have welded these shapes together. Now let's use this shape now to trim this T. Okay, you click on this shape, hold your shift, click on the T, these guys pop out and you will trim. Good. Remember what to do to the end. Click on the T, go to your shape tool, highlight the base of this end and move your arrow key up to create that demarcation, to create that space between the T and the other shapes. Wow, if you have reached to this point, you are really trying. and what I'd like you to don't forget to click on the notification button, subscribe, and share this video to someone that will need it, because graphic design is one of the design that skills whereby when you have it in this period, you can be able to use it to navigate, also build a good portfolio for yourself, and also develop yourself in a creative environment. So going back to our work, clicking on this T now, click on your shape tool. Now at this point in time, I will highlight this last place and I'll drag it left click, hold and drag. Meanwhile, while dragging, I'll hold down my shift key to maintain the straight line. Okay, good, perfect. We have gotten our T. Now let's not forget, let's go back and forth on our sample design, because this is our sample design. Now we have gotten our T, I've gotten our A, I've gotten our N. So the thing that remains for us now is just little adjustment. I'll click on my rectangular tool again, I'll drag at the base of the N. Okay, just that projection, bring it out a little bit. Good. Now selecting this projection, hold my shift, select the N, weld it. Good. Do you see that? Now we are done with the N. Wow. Clap for yourself. Now clicking on this A now, use your rectangular tool, highlight over it. Okay, duplicate the same rectangular tool, Ctrl D, bring it down directly under this. Okay, yes, you can use the arrow key to adjust it. Now select this one down, hold your shift, select this A. Now look for the one they call trim among this family here, click on it. Wow, it gives us this shape. Do you see that? Now click on this one, hold your shift, select this A, trim again, trim, now intercept, trim. Wow, do you see that, guys? You see that within few minutes we are able to achieve this shape. So guys, let us turn this shape now to look exactly like this. I can highlight everything and I can paint them white. Ooh, don't forget the outline. Right click on the black, we give it outline. So guys, thank you for tuning in and for reaching this point. So don't forget to follow through this tutorial, learn from it, and share it to someone that will need it. And don't forget to subscribe for getting new updates and new content like this. Do have a nice time. Bye bye.